Hi, in this video, we will show you the steps to installing Minikube on Windows 10 using Hyper-V Service. We are using Windows 10 Enterprise Edition VM for this demo. Also, we have enabled the nested virtualization for this demo VM. Please check the video description box for more information. Open the Programs and Features snap-in. Click on the Turn Windows Features option. Select the Hyper-V service and click OK. It will take few minutes to complete the installation. Reboot the machine to apply the changes. Once the machine is back to online, download the kubectl from the Google Storage website. Download completed successfully. Copy the file to System32 folder. You can find latest version of kubectl from this website. Environment variable was set to the System32 folder by default. Download the latest Minikube version from the GitHub website. Download completed successfully. Rename the file name to minikube.exe. Copy the file to System32 folder. Open the Hyper-V snap-in. Click on the Virtual Switch Manager. Select the virtual switch type as internal and click the Create button. Provide a name for the virtual switch and click the Apply button. After few seconds, the new virtual switch will be available in the list. Open the Network Connection snap-in. Click on the VM Physical Ethernet that has the Internet connection. Then click on the Properties button and switch to Sharing tab. Enable the Internet Connection Sharing option. It will share the Internet connection with the internal virtual switch which we created earlier. Open the PowerShell or Command Prompt window and verify the Minikube version. Start the Minikube using Hyper-V driver along with the internal virtual switch. It will start downloading the ISO from the Google storage. Once the ISO download completes, new Minikube VM will be created in Hyper-V. Now it will start downloading the Kubernetes binary for Minikube VM. After several minutes, Minikube is ready for use. Check the Minikube service status. Minikube and cluster are in running state. We can also able to view the Kubernetes through graphical interface. Click on the Nodes option to verify the node's information. Thanks for watching this video.